2022. We're back, bro. Captain John Ruiz. Happy New Year to my guys. Yeah. Happy New Year. Much health, wealth, happiness, success, the strength to reach all of our goals this year. Literally just came back from my OPC LPC right now. Well, it's literally 2:20 UTC time, meaning 3:20, 25 actually, about to be 25 in local time. Bonne année, feliz año nuevo. Aquí estamos. We leave the hotel at 7:50 local time, basically in 4 hours and 30 minutes. Boy Fly JV, man. The sky is not the limit. The sky is home. Be limitless. If you do what others do, you'll get what others get. Take the road less traveled. Just woke up from a 2-hour nap. Pickup time's in 20 minutes. I'm gonna have to freshen up quickly. Luckily for me, my luggage is already done. Just need to suit up, uniform on, everything. Make sure I don't forget anything, and without further ado, let's get into it. We get to the airport, OCC, prepare the flight, brief the flight attendants, get inside the airplane about 1 hour before takeoff, and take off at 1 a.m. Fly at flight level 340, and brief for the impending approach. The flight is 5 hours long, and before descent, we brief the main points of the approach. The main specialty of Marseille is that it is built in mountainous regions. So we have to take into account the fact that the approach will be a lot more steep than usual, with a -4-degree glide slope instead of the usual -3-degree glide slope for the ILS. We'll have to configure the aircraft earlier, stabilize earlier. On arrival, we give the aircraft to the following crew, go downstairs, pick up our luggage, and wait for the shuttle to come pick us up for the hotel. It is about a 20-minute drive to the hotel. We get there, get breakfast, and get some much needed rest after a long red-eye flight. Hauma. Incroyable, regardez-moi cette top modèle. Unbelievable, man. Here we are, Marseille. 5 hours of flight. It's my first time doing the RNAV approach on runway 31, so it was definitely interesting for me to fly that approach. I took off the autopilot, the AP, very soon because I really wanted to get a feel for this approach, as it's very different. It's a 4-degree glide slope. It's that steep due to the mountain basically that's on that side of the runway and the airfield. Threshold is displaced, making the runway a lot shorter than it should be. Good monitoring from the captain as well, since it was my first approach, and the wind was pretty high, 20 gusting 30. The breakfast was delicious. I got some bacon, I got some salmon, I got some croissants, chocolate bread, chocolate milk. I got everything. I got eggs with ham inside and cheese. Smells like Road JV in here. Give me the bunga. Then I go samba. The Louis, the Gucci, they call me. I bub and I weave out of envy. Yeah.
They try to project it upon me. They try to project it up.
What I love about layovers is that you can use them to do practically anything. They can be fun to go out shopping, or they can be used to work, or you can just stay in, watch Netflix, catch a movie, and relax. It's a beautiful day. Feels good to be awake now, you know. At first it felt like it wasn't worth it, but now it's definitely worth it. Now I can enjoy a sunny day outside. I need to enjoy the sun as much as I can. Right now it's 4:30 p.m. so I need to accelerate. Give you a quick tour of the room. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, I go by the name of Robe JV. We got the chairs, the Evian water, another chair, and the corner over here. Then we've got the bed. I love the padding on the wall. I really love it. The lights everything is really well done in this hotel room. That's what I like about it. So you got a little study area here. You got my phone, which is ringing. Let me pick up this phone call. I got my luggage here. So this is where I put all of my documents for flights, and this is where I put all of the rest of the stuff, like my toothpaste, my toothbrush, my shoes, my clothes, etc. You got a big TV here. You can watch YouTube, you can watch all types of stuff. And you got a little corner here, coffee, tea, all types of stuff. I'm going to be using this in a second. And you got the bathroom. As you know, the quality of a hotel room is dictated by the quality of its bathroom, and this bathroom definitely, you know, is above standard, I would say. Okay, got this mirror over here, got the counter with the tap, everything, boom. You've got the bathtub, shower heads. You got another robe just in case you need to double that Robe JV dose in your life. Okay, and then I don't need to explain to you what this is. So that's what it's looking like over here. Boom. Start the day right, even if it's not the start of the day. Inspirazione. Let's go with inspirazione, okay? Yeah. Here's splurging. Got the H&M bag, boy. Alright guys, so I ended up getting the Jabra AirPods Elite 85T. This one over here.
I don't wanna settle, gotta keep up with my goals. I don't wanna lose you, guess my logic full of holes. Back and forth, that's where my mind is taking tolls. Playing wishy-washy, what connection free falls. Yeah, one no, baby girl, yeah, you wine on my lap, you decide to you. Fine, no, baby girl, yeah, you wine on. Waka, what you gon', what you want?
Looking for a place to get some food now, so yeah, I'm just counting on these guys, bro. Bokar in the building. Yo, what's good, bro?
Good,
Umi in the building. What's up, girl? On voit rien, vous êtes trop noirs, les gars. Bobby Burger.
Bon appétit, guys.
Coca Cherry pour la forme. So we got a burger right here. Big burger. Big beef burger. Big bacon burger. Some fries. Got my man's eating too.
Yo.
I am not a morning person, but good morning anyways. Day 2, Marseille, Aix-en-Provence. Just woke up. Let's go. Start off with a little bit of water. I got my bag ready here because I gotta return a few clothes to H&M because it's 1 p.m. We're leaving tomorrow, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Let's get into it, man. There's 3 key things that shape a layover as a pilot: the length of the stay, the crew that you're with, and whether or not you have work to do in your room or not.
Yo, next, bro.
Heureusement, on vient de sauter. Heureusement, hein, parce que sinon...
You don't say I'm the one vlogging all the time, but look at this, bro.
On n'a pas mangé de la journée. Heureusement.
Crazy life, bro.
Et il y a quelqu'un qui ne peut pas attendre. Oui, 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 il y a quelqu'un qui ne peut pas attendre.
Back in the hotel room, I'm about to hit the hay. Luggage is done, everything is done.
Give me the banga, then I go samba. The Louis, the Gucci, they call me. I bob and I weave out of envy. Yeah, they try to project it upon me. They try to project it upon me. Yeah, every day feel like I'm running, racing the clock. I'ma get to the places, get to the top, gotta get through the crisis. Next on the way with a handful of faces. Every day feel like I'm running, racing the clock. I'ma get to the prices, get to the top, gotta get through the crisis.
Early mornings are never easy. The best thing for me usually is to have a good breakfast, drink a lot of water, and if necessary, get some vitamins in. Also, for sleep, what can help is melatonin, which is a natural hormone that you can use to actually fall asleep and stay asleep. Adequate planning the night before and in the morning is key to having peak performance during these early mornings. Quick 30-minute flights to Lyon Exupery Airport. I am now pilot monitoring, so I'll be going downstairs to perform the exterior walk-around. As you can see, it's going to be about 45 minutes to 1 hour of turnaround here. Get passengers down, get passengers in, and get ready for a 5-hour flight back to base. Okay, so I'm officially done with the exterior walk-around. The refueling truck is actually connected right now on the left side of the aircraft, refueling the inner tank from the left. Right here we got the pushback already in position for Air Arabia. They're actually boarding passengers right now. So this is Lyon Exupery Airport. This is my second time at this airport, so still, you know, getting used to the environment right here. But I really like the way it's built. It's really nice. I like the air bridge. Everything's nice.
Grinding out and doubling. Get to the next day, we were shuffling. That's why some of these days they be puzzling. Got them out of focus, should be deafening. Keep moving, striving, changing.
After 5 hours and 5 different airspaces, we are finally back in base. We've parked the aircraft, performed all the necessary checklists. Cabin crew are done with their security checks, and we're now coming down the steps and getting into the shuttle to get back into the city. Believe it or not, the city is actually 1 hour away from the airport, so this is another leg of the trip. But there's plenty to do, such as sleeping inside the shuttle, talking with the rest of the crew. The captain and the flight attendants are usually, happy after a long flight such as this one. Some people are on their phones, some people watch YouTube videos, some people just pass out or daydream. But what needed to be done has been done. We're back home, and it's now time to enjoy our time off and go back to reality before the next flight. Back home, the flight is done. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Fly JV out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, get your merch, join the Discord, subscribe to my music channel, and most of all, be happy.